Friends, today I'm revealing to you a simple but incredibly effective trick for growing healthy and strong tomatoes, and the main ingredient is already in your kitchen. Believe it or not, it's ordinary baking soda. It may sound strange, but once you try this method of top dressing, you'll see the difference in just a few days. I was skeptical, but the results delighted me. Why baking soda? Baking soda has a slightly alkaline effect and helps regulate the acidity of the soil, which tomatoes really like. In addition, it prevents the appearance of fungal diseases on the leaves, improves the quality of the fruit, strengthens the plant, and reduces stress from high temperatures. How to prepare the top dressing? Take 1 liter of water, 1 full teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until dissolved and dilute with 5 liters of water. Water the soil around the tomato stem with this liquid, but not directly on the leaves. Apply this supplement once every 10 to 14 days, preferably in the morning or early evening. Do not overdo it. Soda is useful in small doses, but in larger doses it can disturb the balance in the earth. Now, I ask you, have you ever used baking soda in the garden? Let me know in the comments below, and if you try this supplement, let us know the results. If you find this advice useful, click like and subscribe, because on the channel I only share what I've tried myself and what really gives results in the garden.